Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to update graphic card driver in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you want to update your graphic card drivers, let's see how can do that. You just have to simply go to search and here to search for device manager. Just search for this and open it. And here we just have to look for display adapters. Just expand this. Here you will see your graphic card. Right click on it and click on update driver. Then click on search automatically for drivers. So it will check if there will be any pending update available for your graphic card drivers if it will be updated, or you can also click on this search for updated drivers on Windows Update, and here it will also check for updated drivers in Windows Update. Just click on check for updates. So if there will be any update available in Windows Update, it will also will be updated. So after that, your graphic card driver will be completely updated in Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.